Welcome to MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. Here we have a 2024 Boston Whaler 13 Sport. This is one of the more popular models from Boston Whaler, and it is their smallest boat, but that definitely doesn't limit the amount of fun that you can have on this. Great for pulling up to the sandbar, towing somebody behind it, or just a leisurely cruise. The boat that we have here is powered by the Mercury 40 horsepower. That's the upgraded option for horsepower on this boat. We've also applied the teak package, which you'll see on the swim decks at the rear. This boat includes the bimini top option, which is great for getting out of the sun, just having a little bit respite from a hot day. And we also have the full bow rail. So this is a nice piece of equipment for tying off additional fender lines if you're rafting up to another boat. And if you're sitting up front, a nice place to throw your arm over and hang out. The Whaler that we have here also has the dash applique on the dashboard, which gives it a sharp, unmistakable look for Boston Whaler. Standard on the boat is a 6-gallon fuel tank, our fiberglass bench, and a storage compartment here in the front, which is secured, waterproof, so anything that you need to stow away like phones, registration can go right in here. Fun fact about the 13 Sport, it comes standard with 4 cup holders, so you can bring your 4 guests on board and enjoy a full day on the 13 Sport. Come check it out at MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut.